Zaif is a versatile cryptocurrency trading platform known for its robust features and user-friendly interface. In this video, we explore the essential functions of Zaif and provide a complete walkthrough of how to navigate the website for trading success. Zaif offers a range of trading options, including spot trading and leverage trading, allowing both beginners and experienced traders to take advantage of market opportunities. You will find diverse crypto assets listed, enabling you to invest in popular cryptocurrencies or explore lesser-known tokens. Upon visiting the homepage, you'll notice Zaif's clean design and intuitive dashboard. This layout ensures users can quickly access markets, trading charts, and their wallet balance. Signing up is simple. Just click on the registration button, fill in your details, and verify your account to begin trading. After logging in, you'll find the trading interface where you can view charts, analyze data, and execute trades efficiently. Zaif also provides a mobile app for those who prefer trading on the go. One of Zaif's standout features is its unique token services, which let you trade proprietary tokens designed for specific uses within the platform. Additionally, Zaif integrates high security measures, including two-factor authentication, to protect your account. Zaif's bonus system for new users is an excellent incentive. By signing up using the link in the description, you can earn rewards and start trading with an added advantage. Make sure to take advantage of this exclusive offer. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more helpful guides and tutorials on crypto platforms like Zaif.